So here's the drill for our review. And it says write the equation in terms of sine. First thing I always do is I make sure I have my axis and that it goes up and down the same number from the axis 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, which looks like the axis didn't move then. So I'm always going to do my A, B, C, and D values. So the axis didn't move and the amplitude is 3 because I'm 3 up and 3 down. Sine starts on the axis and goes up. So it looks like sine didn't move at all. It's right here. So 0 for that. And my period is 2 pi. So 2 pi over b equals my period, which is 2 pi. So b must just be 1. So my equation is y equals 3 times the sine of 1 times x. And that's it. Number 2. Again, looks like my axis didn't move. Let me write my A, B, C, and D values. And I'm 1 up, and I'm 1 down, so my A value is 1, my amplitude. Again, it looks like it's just the sine curve did not move over. It started right here on the axis, so no phase shift. And the period, though, is only pi. Ends right here before I start my next sine curve. So 2 pi divided by b equals pi. Cross multiply. B pi equals 2 pi. Solving for b, I divide by pi. B equals 2. So my equation is y equals 1 times the sine of 2 times x. Last one, looks like my axis moved this time. And it moved up to 3, but I'm still 1 up and 1 down, so my amplitude is 1. Again, my sine curve didn't move. It stayed right there, so no phase shift. And the period stayed 2 pi. So b is simply 1. So I get y equals 1 times the sine of 1 times x, and then plus 3. Nothing inside the parentheses, that plus 3 is outside.